Do you like shopping on Amazon? Imagine turning that hobby into a source of income. Did you know you can earn money by sharing your favorite products? It's easier than you think. It's true. With the Amazon Affiliate Program, you can get paid for recommending products you love. Imagine getting rewarded for simply sharing what you already enjoy. Here's how it works. You share a special link to an Amazon product on your website, blog, or social media. When someone clicks your link and buys something, you earn a commission. It's that simple. Amazon is a huge online store with a vast selection of products. People buy millions of products every day, from everyday essentials to unique finds. That means there are lots of opportunities to earn commissions. The more you share, the more you can potentially earn. Whether you love tech gadgets, cozy home goods, or anything in between, or the latest fashion finds, there's something for everyone. You can share your passion and earn money with Amazon. Start today and turn your interests into income. The first step to building your website is choosing a niche. This is the foundation of your online presence and will guide all your future content and marketing efforts. What are you passionate about? Passion fuels creativity and consistency. What do you know a lot about? Your expertise can set you apart from the competition. Think about your hobbies, interests, and things you enjoy talking about. Do you love cooking? Sharing your culinary skills can attract a dedicated audience. Maybe your niche is kitchen gadgets. You can review products, share recipes, and offer cooking tips. Are you a fitness buff? Your journey and tips can inspire others. You could focus on workout gear and supplements. This can include product reviews, workout routines, and nutrition advice. Choose a niche that you are genuinely interested in. Your enthusiasm will shine through your content. This will make creating content much more enjoyable and sustainable in the long run. It will also help you become an expert in your area, building trust with your audience. Trust is key to growing a loyal following and achieving success. Now that you have a niche, it's time to build your website. Your website will be the home for your product recommendations. Don't worry, building a website is easier than you think. You can use platforms like WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace. These platforms offer easy-to-use templates and drag-and-drop features. Once you have your website set up, you can join the Amazon Affiliate Program for free. After you join, you'll get access to special links and banners to add to your site. Section 4. Creating great content, helping customers shop. Content is king. To attract visitors to your website and encourage them to click your affiliate links, you need to create high-quality content. Think about what your audience wants to know. What problems are they facing? What products can solve those problems? You can write product reviews, create comparison articles, or even make videos showcasing different products. The key is to be helpful, informative, and engaging. Section 5. Success with Amazon tips and tricks. Building a successful Amazon affiliate website takes time and effort. It's not an overnight process, but with dedication and the right strategies, you can achieve great results. Here are a few tips to help you succeed. Be patient. Patience is key in this journey. It takes time to build an audience and start earning commissions. Don't give up. Promote your website consistently. Share your website on social media, forums, and with friends and family. The more you promote, the more visibility you gain. Track your results diligently. See which products are performing well and focus on creating more content around those products. Stay updated. Amazon is always changing, and so should your strategies. Stay up to date on the latest policies and best practices for affiliates. Regularly check Amazon's updates and adapt your approach accordingly. Remember, the key to success is to be helpful, provide value to your audience, and promote products you genuinely believe in. Good luck! With persistence and the right mindset, you can achieve your goals.